Hello again, quiz lovers! Quiz Helper here with a quick new and exciting video. Do you currently make YouTube quiz videos? Do you use Canva Pro to make quiz videos, but they look basic like this? Do you have lots of content, quiz ideas, and time, but can't seem to get your quiz videos to look like popular channels such as Quiz Blitz, Daily Quiz, or Quiz Kingdom? Well, you're in luck! Today, Quiz Helper presents to you premium quiz templates in various different formats. These quizzes include custom elements, animations, sound effects, and transitions. And this is all possible in Canva Pro. So if you have experience in Canva, then these templates are for you. Let's take a look at them in action. Now let's take a look at what can be edited on these premium templates. The page number, the title, the image, the option letters, and the answers. The quiz channel name, and the background video. And this is all possible in Canva Pro. For those that are interested in bringing their quiz videos to the next level, these professional-looking premium templates will be available to purchase real soon. Also, there will be themed templates such as this Star Wars template available soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please be on the lookout for a purchase link real soon. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for many more free quiz elements. See you next time!